Hi besties and welcome to day 20 or 30 in our Making Your Handmade product line series. Okay, don't forget to grab that link below and follow along with the training. Let's get on with it. Okay besties, today I'm going to show you how to set up a campaign to advertise on Facebook. Okay, go to this drop down and follow to create ads. Okay, and here you put in what your marketing objective is. Brand awareness, reach, awareness, consideration, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation or messages, and conversions, conversion side to sales, catalog sales, store traffic. So we're going to leave it on engagement. Okay, you can split tests, ABC type. We change things like placement, audience, and delivery optimization strategies. Okay. Okay, this is ad set name. Best call it something so you know exactly what it is, because the more ads you get, you're not going to remember what you set up actually meant if you don't describe it there. Okay, so here we choose audience. Okay, so I have a saved audience are Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, Northern Ireland, Ireland, United States. A set age group that I target, and female, and a set of interests. Okay, and here you can set a daily budget, schedule it to run continuously, or schedule for particular dates. Okay, and optimization for ad delivery, what do you want to achieve most? So there's impression, post engagement, continue when you've got those right for you. Okay, and here choose which page it's coming from. Okay, and here's where we select what to promote or upload something new. Okay, so put in your text and photo or video, and then we'll add a call to action button here. I'll leave it at learn more, and then I'll add my website URL. This is the place you want to direct them to from your ad. Okay, so we've added that, and now we're just waiting on this to load up, and then it tells us, shows us what it's going to look like here. Okay, and then hit confirm. Okay, and here you've got a new ad. Obviously you want to keep an eye on that and make sure it's converting how you want it, but all in all, that's how you do it. Okay bestie, I hope that helped. So don't forget to follow along at links down below. That's www.joreilly.com/formula, and that'll get you the free videos on the sellout product line formula. See you tomorrow besties.